Welcome to the video lecture on financial management. In this video, we are going to see about corporate financial planning models. The topics which will be covered in this video are Introduction to Financial Planning Model, Prerequisites for Application of Financial Models, Optimizing Model, Simulation Model, Points to be noted while using any of the financial model, Provision for continuous feedback. Introduction to Financial Planning Model. A financial planning model are the tools for accomplishing the corporate objectives. In as much they provide a pictorial, mathematical or a tangible shape to the qualitative objectives set forth by a corporate entity. These models not only act as a tool for accomplishing the corporate objectives, in addition to being a provider of benchmarks for comparative evaluation of performance as against stipulated targets. That is, these models, as they are a pictorial, mathematical or a tangible shape to the qualitative objectives, they act as a benchmark while conducting performance evaluation. Financial models are formal representations of a company's operations and processes in money equivalents. Generally, there are two types of corporate financial models. They are optimization models and simulation ones. Prerequisites for application of financial models. Before applying any financial model in an organization, there are some requirements. They are building up a good information flow system, clear charting of procedural aspects in the organization as well as operational issues. That is, there should be a clear charting of procedures of operation. Adherence and commitment by the top management for the models so developed and adopted in the organization is very essential. That is, while designing and implementing a model, there should be a proper commitment from the top management, involving the personnel who would supply information and take part in implementing the model. Clear-cut specifying of the inputting data and the outcomes. Focus on key result areas or crux of the issues. Well-devised budgeting processes enhance the utility of the models. Optimizing model. Optimization models or organization-specific models are trying to get full or maximum results from the resource inputs with the actual constraints of the particular corporate organization in the backdrop. The constraints mentioned here is the limitation of inputs like time, equipment, supplies, etc. An optimization model is nothing but a translation of the key characteristics of a business problem which we are trying to solve. For example, consider a process selection. There will be several types of process to make a particular product. So this model helps to decide which of the several processes should be used to make a desired quantity of products. So here is the diagrammatic representation of implementing the optimizing model in an organization. Simulation model. On the contrary to optimizing model, the simulation models are development of plans for several ifs or a master model which involves several outcomes and the appropriate strategy alternatives as applicable and exclusively developed for the company. In simple terms, simulation model is like predicting. This helps to understand under what condition something could go wrong in an organization. So here there is a diagrammatic representation of implementing a simulation model in an organization. Points to be noted while using any of the financial model. Model building and deploying specific models to be effective may be preceded by a scientific feasibility study and followed by the sequences of model derivation by mathematical logic, amenable for programming in a computerized system. There may be pilot testing and validation of the model too. While operational cutting edges are possible by innovative operations, to sustain the same in financial results, parallel and consistent strategies in financial management are also required. Otherwise, the company loses the advantage that was gained in effective operations. Provision for continuous feedback. Needless to emphasize the fact that the utility and efficiency of a developed model is improved by providing for continuous feedback and correction and or updating. In case of a short-term financial planning, this continuous feedback and ongoing corrections are a must, as the interest rate keeps fluctuating in the market due to volatility in demand and supply, and faulty planning would affect the cost factor. That's it for this video. Thank you.